Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to shortly talk about how to use the Docker image for running the pipeline. After downloading the Docker image from this address, this would be where your Docker image would reside, and there would be series of commands that you can run to first is to load the Docker image for your system. This might take a few seconds to completely load based on the layers that you have in your Docker. Until this command finishes, we can go ahead and talk about the second command, which is this command, and there is a lot to talk about here. First of all, there are two ports opening up here. The first port is for RStudio, and the second RStudio server, and the second one is for Shiny server. There are two volumes mounted into the Docker. The first volume is related to the X11 port forwarding, and the second one is for the folder that your data and reference resides. So if you look at this folder, you can see that this folder contains data and your references. Those are basically the folders that you need to run the pipeline. The other ones will be generated through the pipeline. And the location that this folder is mounted should stay the same as this, because this is basically what Shiny server uses to access the data and the reference. So the image is loaded now, as you can see. So we can go ahead and see yes, this is what was loaded now, and we can go ahead and run this command using this Docker image that we just loaded. So you can see that the Docker is successfully loaded now. Now we can see what is the container ID, and based on that container ID we can have a look inside of the Docker image just to have an understanding of how it works. So you can see that these two folders or directories are owned by Shiny, and this is basically where your data is loaded. So you can see that the data and the references are here, which is used and employed by the pipeline. So now if you want to take a look at the pipeline, we just open a browser and type localhost and the port of 3838. This can be changed, of course. So you can see the pipeline is loaded. Now if you run the pipeline, the new results will appear this. You can see that this time this indexing happened, and the QC plot folder was also generated. This will soon contain the QC results. Thank you.